Is it time to buy or sell Primo Brands stock? In this video, we will delve into the details of Primo Brands. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 21st of March, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to keep yourself updated on our latest analyses. You definitely do not want to miss any crucial updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GP4, available at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 21st of March, 2025, our system has rated Primo Brands as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.48. Now, let us examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, but it currently remains at a loss of 0% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. The stock is positioned within a broad and somewhat weak upward trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further increases within this trend. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 3.53% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 3.58% to 12.82%. Our latest daily update for Primo Brands includes the headline: Primo Brands Corporation stock upgraded from sell candidate to hold accumulate after Friday trading session. The stock price of Primo Brands Corporation decreased by 0.34% on the last trading day, Friday, the 21st of March, 2025, falling from $32.40 to $32.29. During the last trading session, the stock experienced fluctuations of 2.32%, ranging from a low of $31.83 to a high of $32.57. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days, showing a rise of 2.15% over the past 2 weeks. Volume saw an increase on the last day by 350,000 shares, although this occurred alongside falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 3 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $81.43 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $35.25, while the lowest price was $28.49. Currently, the price stands 8.4%, or $2.96, below the 52-week high of $35.25, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Primo Brands, also known by its stock symbol PRMB, is gaining traction in the market and has recently earned a spot on the Zacks Rank No. 1 Strong Buy list. This designation reflects a bullish outlook among analysts. Alongside its peers in the consumer food and beverage sector, PRMB has consistently performed near 52-week highs, even amidst market fluctuations. A significant highlight for the company is its designation as the official water of Major League Baseball, featuring prominent brands such as Arrowhead, Deer Park, and Ice Mountain. This partnership with Major League Baseball not only enhances brand visibility, but also positions PRMB as a key player in the hydration market, potentially driving sales growth during the baseball season. However, the company's recent financial performance presents mixed signals. While PRMB reported fourth-quarter sales growth of 28.7%, it fell short of consensus estimates, raising concerns about its operational efficiency. Gross margins have improved, yet the company recorded operating losses attributed to acquisition costs. The ongoing focus on cost-cutting measures is crucial for improving its financial health and revenue trajectory. The market's short-term reaction to these developments may result in heightened volatility, particularly due to concerns about PRMB's elevated debt levels. In the long run, successful implementation of its growth initiatives and effective cost management could bolster stock price and investor confidence. Overall, the combination of strong analyst ratings, strategic partnerships, and financial restructuring presents a mixed but promising outlook for PRMB in 2025. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 28th of February 2025, it was reported that Deutsche Bank assigned PRMB a buy rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Primo Brands stock a general strong sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Primo Brands. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The Primo Brands Corporation stock displays a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. With the long-term average positioned above the short-term average, a general sell signal emerges, suggesting a more negative outlook for the stock. Should the stock experience further gains, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $32.75. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support at the short-term average, which is at $31.99. A breakout above the long-term average would trigger another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average would generate an additional sell signal and reinforce the overall negative sentiment. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, March 20th, 2025, and thus far the stock has decreased by 0.34%. Additional declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence. Volume increased alongside falling prices yesterday, indicating a potential early warning, suggesting that closer monitoring of the stock is advisable. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots suggested a sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger showed a buy signal 9 days ago. The short-term moving average indicated a buy signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average signaled a sell 14 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggested a buy signal 12 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average signaled a sell 16 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 3 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Primo Brands. Primo Brands Corporation finds support from accumulated volume at $31.22. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock experiences average daily movements, and with a solid trading volume, the associated risk is viewed as medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated between a high and a low of 74 cents, which is an increase of 2.32%. In the past week, the stock has demonstrated an average daily volatility of 2.11%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Primo Brands, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profit margins and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 8th of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are set at 25 cents. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Primo Brands. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Primo Brands is at $32.59. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Primo Brands encounters its first support level at $31.22. If this support level remains intact, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $31.23, reflecting a decline of 3.27%. This stock experiences medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. A sell signal has been generated from a pivot top identified 1 day ago. Is Primo Brands stock a good buy? Primo Brands Corporation exhibits several negative indicators, suggesting it might be a sell candidate. However, due to a potential turnaround, it is recommended to consider it a hold candidate, meaning one should hold or accumulate shares while awaiting further developments. Our recent analysis has upgraded our conclusion for this stock from a sell rating to a hold or accumulate recommendation. Upon assessing the volatility and market movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price appears to be overvalued. For trading on Monday, March 24th, we anticipate that Primo Brands will open lower by 6 cents and begin trading at $32.23. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.